Hi, I'm Sarah. I've just joined as a marketing assistant. It's nice to meet you.
Hi Sarah, welcome to the team. I'm John, the sales manager. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything.
Thank you, John. I'll definitely reach out if I need help. Hi, John. Do you have a minute? I have a question about the new campaign.
Of course, Sarah. What do you need help with?
I'm not sure how to access the campaign analytics. Could you guide me?
Sure. Let me just finish my email. Give me 2 minutes. You'll find it in the reports section on our dashboard. Let me show you. Hi Alex, I'd like to discuss the sales figures. When would be a good time for you?
Let me check my schedule. How about tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.?
That's fine for me. I'll send you an invite. See you in the morning.
This week, we've completed the email designs and scheduled the first batch to go out on Friday. Next, we'll focus on the social media posts.
Great work, Sarah. Keep us updated on the campaign's performance.
Hi, John. I've noticed a delay in the design approvals. Is there a way to speed up the process?
I'm not sure. Let me check with the design team. I'll update you by the end of the day.
Thanks, John. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help.
I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.